Dihybrid cross, one of the India's famous experiment, and it was done in pea plant. And what is the meaning of dihybrid cross? The cross between two organisms with regard to two characters is called dihybrid cross. In this experiment, what I am showing in the form of chart, two characters are taken. What are these two characters? Number one, texture of the seed. Number two, color of the seed. And texture of the seed and color of the seed, two characters are taken, and what happens in first generation and second generation, it is recorded. That's why this is called dihybrid cross. In this experiment, what is done? Pure round yellow seeded pea plant is cross-pollinated with pure wrinkled green seeded pea plant. Pure round means both the genes have character of being round, and pure yellow means both the genes have character of being yellow. And pure wrinkled means both the genes have character of being wrinkled, which is denoted by small r, and pure green means both the genes have character of being green. This way, pure round yellow is cross-pollinated with pure wrinkled green. This is parent. And what is seen in first generation, round yellow seeded plant only appear. Wrinkled green seeded pea plant didn't appear. What it means? It means round and yellow both are dominant character. That's why wrinkled green cannot be seen in first generation. But in first generation, if the plants are first generation plants are self-pollinated, then in second generation, all the pea plants are not round yellow. There are four different phenotypes: round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled green. It means in first generation, the pea plant appeared round yellow. They were not pure round yellow. They were hybrid round yellow. And in second generation, this wrinkled and green seeded pea plant also appeared. Now, I made this checkboard. Here, this possible gamete of round yellow is written here, and possible another set of gamete, because gamete when combines with each other, we can consider one as male gamete, another female gamete. When they combine, then they form zygote, and zygote develops to an organism, and a plant develops. In the same way, these are the possible four different gametes. These are possible four different gametes. Now, when this gamete combines with this, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, it means this is pure round, pure yellow. Now, when this combines with this, capital R, capital Y, small y, round is pure round, but it appears yellow because yellow is dominant. That's why one of the Y is capital. The plant would have this yellow seeded pea plant. The plant bears yellow seed, but this is hybrid yellow. When this combines with this, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. One of the R is capital, that's why round is dominant and the seed of the plant will be round, but capital Y both, it means this is pure yellow. And here, when RY combines with this, then hybrid round, hybrid yellow. In the same way, we can see any of these. If this one combines with this one, this one, we can write here, small r is small r, pure wrinkled. And capital Y, pure yellow colored seed. And if we see this one combining with this one and this one, R capital, small r, and small y, small y. One of the R is capital, that's why it is round. But both Y is small, that's why it is wrinkled. This way, looking at this genotype, we can say what is its phenotype. There are four different phenotypes. One, round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, wrinkled green. To be round yellow, one of the R should be capital at least, or both R may be capital. And to be yellow, one of the Y should be at least capital in the gene, and maybe both the Y capital. Now, I am going to mark them. Look at this star mark. These are round yellow seeded pea plant. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In each of them, at least one of the R is capital, which makes the plant round seeded, and one of the Y is capital. It makes the plant yellow seeded. Now, out of 16, 9 part is round yellow. Now, to be round green, at least one of the R's should be capital, which makes the seed round, and green means what? Both the Y's should be small. And look at this round green, this 0 marked round green. This is also round green. This is also round green. Yeah, out of the 16, 3 are found to be round green. Now, wrinkled yellow. To be wrinkled, both the R should be small, and to be yellow, at least one of the Y should be capital. Now, these 4 are left. Look at this. Both the R is small, it is wrinkled, both the Y is capital, wrinkled yellow. This is wrinkled, one of the Y is capital yellow. Wrinkled yellow, I am marking differently here. Wrinkled yellow. Out of the 16, 3 are wrinkled yellow. And lastly, only 1 is left. Both R is small and both Y is small. What it means? It is wrinkled green. That's why we can say that phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio means what? The external appearance of an organism with regard to one or more character. We are taking 2 characters. External appearance of an organism with regard to one or more character is called phenotype. And phenotypic ratio in this second generation is 9:3:3:1. 9:3:3:1 means round yellow is to round green is to wrinkled yellow is to wrinkled green. 9:3:3:1. This way Mendel did dihybrid cross. One of the example is explained just now.